Hi, welcome to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a login form to open an Excel file. So first, let's see a demo. After that, we will learn how to do it. So double click this file. So we got the user form for the login. So first you type here the ID and here the password. So you can use this password as asterisk or you can show the password. So here I have shown the password. I will also show you how to make this text as asterisk. So click on login. You can see the file is open. So now we will understand how to create this user form. So before starting this tutorial, I request you to subscribe our channel and press the like button to show your love for us. So let's begin this tutorial. So you can do this in two different ways. First is you can create a fixed user ID and fixed password, or you can use multiple user ID and multiple password. So here I am using the second one, that is multiple user ID and multiple password. So first you have to create a database for user ID and password. Here you can see we have this user ID and password, and here this cell should be blank, and here we will fetch the password if there is any employee ID. So from where this employee ID will come? This employee ID will come from the user form. So whenever we got any employee ID like this way, we will get the password and we will match this password with the password in the login form. If it matches, then the Excel file will open up, else it will give you a message. This is the total work. So first open the Visual Basic, press Alt F11 and go to Insert and create user form. And here we will create the form. So first give a background color for this form. So I am giving it a white. Okay. Then we will give a label. Sorry, this is text box. This one is label. Okay. And here type login. Okay. Now go to font categorize and here font, select a font of your choice, take it this font, then font size 14. Okay, so this font is not looking good, let's change it. Let's this one and black. Okay, so this is fine. So we got this login. You can change the background color for this label. So the appearance, click on back color and highlight this color. Okay, and now here we will create two images. So first select one here, okay, and another one here. Okay, so we will keep a picture in this image. So go to picture, here click on this three dot and go to picture. So here is the image. Select this one, open, and here select size mode to stretch. Okay, and here we will give another image, this one. Okay, and this one also we have to give stretch. Okay, so we have given this two images, that is for user ID and password. Now we will give a text box. So click the text box and create a text box here. Another text box here. Select, press Ctrl and drag this one. Okay. Now we can change the effect. So select here flat. Okay, it's not looking good. So take it as bump. Okay, this one. So you can change the size also. So let's see, its top size, top is 66 and it is also 66. This one is top 84. This one is 84. Then height is 18 and this one is 18. This one is also 18. Okay, so everything is fine. Now create a login button. So create a command button and create here a login button. Okay, so type here login and change its background color to this one. Okay. Now we'll create a code for login. So before that we will rename this to text box. So first click here and here type user ID and here PWD. Okay, now double click this login form and type here. So first go to Excel, this one is sheet 1. So here sheet 1, so type here sheet 1 dot range A1 dot value equal to me dot user ID dot text. Then type if sheet 1 dot range B1 dot value equal to me dot PWD dot text. Then application dot visible equal to true. So this is the code. And another thing you have to do, that is for this one, this workbook, double click this one and you have to type here, select from here workbook and from here open, then you will get these two lines, this one and this one, and you have to type here application dot visible equal to false and login form dot show. So our this form name is, so here this form name is, let's see, type here login underscore form. Okay, so login form and the caption should be log in form. Okay, now if we run this, select this one and run this, we can see we got the user form. So here if you type EMP002, click here login. So here is one, and if you have to type here and if. Okay, cancel it again, run it again, and type here emp002 and password 234. Click on login. You can see we got here the employee ID and password. And here we have forgotten another thing, that is, go here and here we have to do another thing, that is unload me. Okay, now save this and close the file, and if I double click this file, you can see we got the login form. Type here emp003 and here password 345, and we have to do another thing to make it asterisk. So go to login, so the file is open, press Alt F11. So here we have to do one thing, that is, when we type password in the password text box, it should show as star. So for that we have to select this one and then go to password character, this one, and type here star. Then if you run this and type here emp001 and type here 1 2 3, you can see we are getting password. If you want to take hash, then you have to type here hash. Select this one and you have to type here hash. Then if you run this emp001, type here 1 2 3, we are getting hash. So in this way you have to create a login form so that you can open a Excel file. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well, but still if you have any queries, you can write me in the comment section. So I hope you have liked this tutorial. So please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.